Let me get this camera out the sun. Much better. All right guys, back with another quick unboxing assembly time-lapse video. This is a REVR V5 e-bike. Get my trusty knife here. Let's see what I can tell from the box. Weighs 87.8 pounds. It's the only box I've ever seen come with one handle. This is it. There's no handle on the opposite side to hold the box. There's no handles on the two sides, just this one little handle here. But anyway, this shouldn't take long. Hopefully it comes as pre-assembled as the other bike. So I'm gonna cut the box open and you can watch me do it, and I'll let you know when I'm done. Beautiful display, beautiful display. Battery has 1 bar down, so it's almost full, but it's a gorgeous display. I should take a photo of that, because you will see this entire review in the using the link in the description of this video, or any of the videos in this entire review, you know, the written review at thegadgeteer.com, the-gadgeteer.com. Beautiful display. As you see, I haven't sat on it yet, so excuse the noise in the background. My son's playing Fortnite with his friends. Height is nice. As you can see, I have bad knees, about to have knee surgery on the second, on my second knee. This knee was done before. Bike feels nice, feels like a nice ride, but with me sitting on it, I don't know how I would tow someone. I'd have to be up here to tow someone, so that's kind of, it's not long enough. This is not long enough for a second person, maybe a child, but for me to ride this, I would need to sit somewhere here, which means that there's no room for somebody else. Also, you see how high up my feet would come, right? I have bad knees, and right away that feels, even the one that's repaired, that feels kind of tight. I'd have to go back even more. So we'll have to see how much I enjoy it, if it's really for me or not, or maybe a smaller person, maybe a kid. Let's just give it a quick pull off, see how it works. Thing is up. You can see it's full. It came with stickers. Let me put it back to 0. It did come with stickers that said 500 watt, 20 miles per hour class 2 that you can put on the bike, so that, I guess these days with law enforcement asking a lot of questions, I'll put one right here. So, and so maybe one under here, because we know that bike laws have been changing rapidly, right? So I'm gonna put one there, and I put one there, and that's it. It's done. So I'm gonna put some air in the tires. You can see they're pretty soft. And I'll take it for a ride. I use my Insta360 so that you can go along with me. And again, keep an eye out for the full review at the-gadgeteer.com using the link in the description of this video. I can tell you that it was very easy to set up. Like I said, I'm used to setting these things up, so I just do it my way. Sometimes I hit hiccups because I don't pay attention to the instructions. You'll notice I left a couple of things off, and that is the bell. It is always, I prefer manufacturers to leave bells off. This is that plastic chintzy thing that, this is not worth it for me to put on the bike, and a reflector. Otherwise, I used everything. The backpacks are there, like I said. You saw me spraying, and what I was spraying was mosquitoes. I don't know if you can see them. There's mosquitoes all over here. Even though it's cool today and we're heading into fall, the mosquitoes are out in full force, and I swell up when I get bitten, so that's a fogger you saw me spraying. Keeps them away for a while. Anyway, that's it for now. The REVR V5 e-bike. You'll hear from me again about it soon, and I'll let you know what I think. Stay tuned.